If you have ever felt uncomfortable, frustrating, and sometimes painful feeling of constipation, you know how much it can disrupt your daily life. You might have tried fiber supplements, relaxative, or just drinking more water, but this often only provides temporary relief, right? What if I told you that there are 5 powerful natural cures for constipation that almost nobody talks about, and this can help you heal your gut permanently? No more quick fixes, no more harsh medication, just real lasting relief. Before we jump into the cures, let's take a moment to understand what constipation is all about. Constipation isn't just about not pooing enough. It is a symptom that your digestive system isn't working optimal. It can be caused by sluggish colon, dehydration, poor diet, stress, or even an imbalance in your gut bacteria. Many people rely on fiber supplement or relaxative, but this often only masks the problem. Over time, relaxative can even weaken your colon's natural ability to contract, making constipation worse. So the key to permanent relief is to address the root causes, and that's exactly what this 5 cure does. Trillions of bacteria living in your intestine plays a huge role in your digestion and bowel movement. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, your digestion slows down and constipation can set in. Fermented food like sauerkraut, kimchi, kimchi, and yogurt are rich in probiotics, the good bacteria that help keep your gut healthy. But here is the secret nobody talks about. Probiotics need foods to thrive. Start by adding a small serving of fermented food daily, even a tablespoon of sauerkraut or small cup of kimchi. Then gradually increase your intake of probiotic-rich vegetables. Over a few weeks, you will notice your digestion improving and constipation easing naturally. You have probably heard drink more water a million times, but it's not just how much water you drink. It's about how and what you drink. Drinking plain water is great, but adding a pinch of natural sea salt or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice can help balance your electrolyte and stimulate your digestive system. Electrolytes like sodium and potassium are essential for muscle contraction. Try this morning ritual. Drink a glass of warm water. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice and drink on an empty stomach. This wakes up your digestive tract and encourages bowel movement. Here is a cure that almost nobody talks about: the role of your nervous system, especially the vagus nerve, in digestion. The vagus nerve is like the body's rest and digest command center. When it's functioning well, your digestive system runs smoothly, but stress, poor posture, and shallow breathing can weaken vagus tone, slowing digestion and causing constipation. Deep diaphragmatic breathing is a simple but powerful way to stimulate your vagus nerve. Here is how to do it. Sit or lie down comfortably. Place one hand on your belly. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Feel your belly rise. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this cycle 5 times, twice a day. Gentle yoga poses like twist, forward bend, and mild inversion can also activate the vagus nerve and improve gut motility. Even humming or gangling stimulates it. So don't underestimate this simple action. Natural oil like extra virgin olive oil and flaxseed can act as gentle lubricant for your intestine, making it easier for stew to pass. Also, they have anti-inflammatory properties that support gut health. The trick is to take this oil on an empty stomach in the morning. This helps soften stew and promotes smoother bowel movement without the harsh effect of relaxative. Finally, let's talk about something simple but hugely overlooked: your posture in the toilet. Most toilets are designed for sitting at a 90-degree angle, but this position actually makes it harder to fully empty your bowel. The natural squatting position strengthens the rectum and relaxes the poplitealis muscle, which acts like a kick in the host. By elevating your feet on a small stool to create a 35 to 40-degree angle, you mimic a squat and make elimination easier and more complete. Try using a footstool every time you go to the bathroom. You will be amazed at how much easier and faster your bowel movement becomes. Avoid overusing relaxative. They can damage your colon's natural function. Eat mindfully. Chew your food thoroughly and don't rush meals. Manage stress daily. Chronic stress slows digestion and worsens constipation. Stay physically active. Even gentle walking helps stimulate your bowel. Include magnesium-rich food like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, or consider a magnesium supplement after consulting your doctor. These are natural remedies that heal your gut and restore your body's natural rhythm permanently. Remember, your gut health is the foundation of your overall well-being. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. Indeed, learning never ends, and nature heals. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Hydrate, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.